An all-time family classic right here. Stay tuned. Don't forget, hit that button. We're making classic meatloaf today. We're going to cut up some onions and bell pepper and saute them in oil. To 2 pounds of ground beef, we're going to add some kosher salt, some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and I like a lot of grated parmesan cheese in my meatloaf, and some breadcrumbs. Now let's add those cooked vegetables back in. Add a little ketchup. Add 2 eggs. Let's mix everything together. Shape our loaf in a pan and poke 3 holes on top. 350 in the oven for about an hour. Now let's make our sauce a little sweet, tangy, and spicy. Let's spread it around the top nice and thick and around the sides. Now back in the oven, 5 minutes, uncovered. Now look at that. Look at that meatloaf. This is the meatloaf you said you could never do. Look at that sauce, sweet, tangy, and spicy with the soy sauce and the sweet chili sauce. It gets no better than this, guys. Trust your girl. Peace. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Shake and Bake and Blog.